Good morning friends. Now in the last lecture we see the methods of preparation of alcohol. Now in this today's lecture we will see the physical properties of alcohol as well as the structure of alcohol. So first of all we will see the structure of alcohol and then see the physical properties of alcohol. So look at here, structure of alcohol. Now we know that the general representation of alcohol is what? It is R-OH. It is the general representation of alcohol. In case of alcohol molecule, it will show the geometry just like that of the water molecule, because in case of water HOH and in case of alcohol ROH. Only difference is what? Here presence of alkyl group and here presence of hydrogen atom. So alcohol molecule, we can write the first point. Alcohol molecule shows similar geometry like that of water molecule. So first point is alcohol shows same geometry, same or here similar geometry like water molecule, So we take the general example of alcohol. First member of alcohol, it is methanol. So we can write in this way. Here presence of carbon atom, attachment of this oxygen, here presence of hydrogen, and here attachment of 3 hydrogen atoms. That is CH3 single bond OH, called as methyl alcohol or methanol. So in this structure of methanol, this oxygen atom is here present. It will carries a 2 lone pair of electrons. The bond angle between carbon, oxygen and hydrogen, it is near about 108.9 degree. Okay. The bond length between that carbon and oxygen bond length, it is 142 picometer. It is what? 142 picometer, and this oxygen and hydrogen, it is 96 picometer. In this case, due to presence of OH group, that alcohol molecule, it is polar in nature. Here presence of pure covalent bond between that carbon and oxygen. Again, due to presence of 2 lone pair of electron on oxygen atom, the bond angle is decreases due to lone pair repulsion, and that's why it is not a tetrahedral bond angle. We know that generally the tetrahedral molecule shows an bond angle 109 degree, but this somewhat decreases. This decreased bond angle, it is due to only presence of a lone pair of electrons. So this is the structure of methanol. In this case, we see first point, alcohol shows similar geometry like that of molecule. Second, the oxygen atom shows sp3 hybridization. The oxygen atom present in methanol, it will shows what? sp3 hybridization. That is, oxygen atom is sp3 hybridized. The bond angle present between carbon, oxygen and hydrogen is 108.9 degree. Next point, due to presence of OH group, it is pure covalent bond. It is pure covalent bond. The bond between carbon and oxygen, it is a pure covalent bond. So in this way, this is the structure of alcohol molecule. Okay, समजलं सगळ्यांना? ठीक. नेक्स्ट पाहू आता आपण फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्कोहोल. Next is physical properties of alcohol. Now first physical property of alcohol is the lower member of alcohol, they are the liquid in nature and they will having the distinctive smell or a different or that smell, it is what distinguishable or identification of that alcohol is. Okay, due to the presence of that smell we can easily identify there is a presence of alcohol molecule. So first property is that lower members of alcohol are liquid in nature and lower members of alcohol are liquid in nature and they have distinctive smell or different smell. Okay, lower members, they are liquid and they have the distinctive smell. Second property is that higher members of alcohol are solid in nature. They are the solid in nature. Third property, alcohol having higher boiling point than that of corresponding alkyl halide, aldehyde, ketone or ether of same molecular masses. Okay, alcohol having the higher boiling point than that of corresponding alkyl halide, aldehyde, ketone or ether of the comparable masses or the same molecular masses. The presence of higher boiling point, it is the higher boiling point of alcohol, it is due to what? It is due to the presence of hydrogen bonding. In case of alcohol, due to presence of hydrogen bonding, intermolecular hydrogen bonding, due to presence of intermolecular hydrogen bonding, they having higher boiling point. Now look at here how we can show the intermolecular hydrogen bonding between the alcohol. So suppose we take a bulk of alcohol, that is large number of alcohol molecule, they are taken in a flask. So in that alcohol molecule, what happened? There is a presence of an hydrogen bonding due to presence of that partial positive and partial negative character on the oxygen and hydrogen atom, and that's why that bond is polar in nature. So see here, suppose we take here R, okay, presence of R, then OH, ROH, alcohol, first molecule. Now second molecule again here HOR, second molecule of alcohol. Third molecule again here ROH. Fourth molecule is again here, again fourth molecule we can write here HOR, and likewise so on. So what happened? This oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen atom. Therefore, oxygen carries partial negative charge and hydrogen carries a partial positive charge. Here also oxygen partial negative, hydrogen partial positive. Oxygen partially negative charge, hydrogen is partially positive charge. Again here oxygen carries partial negative and hydrogen carries a partial positive. Now due to the presence of force of attraction between oxygen and hydrogen, here bonding takes place. This dotted line shows that the hydrogen bonding. Here also presence of bonding. Here also presence of bonding, and likewise the bonding is present, and that's why such a type of bonding is called as hydrogen bonding. These two types of bonding, they are the hydrogen bonding. And this type of hydrogen bonding, it is absent in case of alkane, alkyl halide, aldehyde, ketones or ether molecule, and that's why alcohol having higher boiling point than that of these corresponding molecules. Okay, understand it? Okay. So this is the diagram which shows intermolecular, okay, intermolecular hydrogen bonding between alcohol. Intermolecular hydrogen bonding between alcohol. Understand this concept? Okay. Now next property is the boiling point of alcohol. The boiling point of alcohol increases. The boiling point of alcohol increases with increase in number of carbon atoms. Alcohol increases with increase in number of carbon atoms. For example, methanol, ethanol, propanol. So propanol having the higher boiling point than that of ethanol. Ethanol having higher boiling point than that of the methanol. Current methanol containing only one carbon atom. Ethanol consists of 2 carbon atom. Propanol consists of 3 carbon atom. So ज्याच्यामध्ये कार्बन ॲटम जास्त आहे म्हणजे तो अल्कोहोल, दॅट अल्कोहोल हॅव्हिंग द हायर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. सो प्रोपेनॉल ऑलवेज हॅव्हिंग हायर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट दॅन इथेनॉल, and ethanol having higher boiling point than the methanol. Okay. Next property, as the branching increases, as the branching increases, as the branching in alcohol increases, the boiling point of alcohol, the boiling point of alcohol decreases due to decrease in surface area. Due to decrease in surface area, the van der Waals forces also decreases, and and hence its boiling point is decreases, and hence its boiling point also decreases. Okay. And last property is that alcohol, they are soluble in water. Now why alcohol is soluble in water? Because alcohol form the hydrogen bonding with that of water molecule. So that last property is here. Lower member of alcohol, lower members of alcohol are soluble in water molecule. The lower member of alcohol are soluble in water due to presence of hydrogen bonding with water. Hydrogen bonding with water. Now look at here, ROH, alcohol, then HOH, water, again here ROH, alcohol, again here HOH, water. Okay. So likewise here alcohol, water, these molecules are present. Suppose we take alcohol and it is dissolved in water, so they will form the hydrogen bonding, and due to formation of that hydrogen bonding, the alcohol is highly soluble in water molecule. So here oxygen partial negative, hydrogen partial positive. Here partial negative, partial positive. Partial negative on oxygen, partial positive on hydrogen atom. Here partial negative on oxygen and partial positive on hydrogen atom. So negative positive force of attraction takes place, therefore there is formation of bond, and such type of bonding is known as the hydrogen bonding. So here presence of hydrogen bonding, here also hydrogen bonding, here also hydrogen bonding. So this is the intramolecular hydrogen bonding between alcohol and water molecule. So in this way, these are the properties of alcohol. Understand it? Very simple property. सगळ्यात महत्त्वाच्या फक्त दोन प्रॉपर्टीज तुम्हाला जास्त लक्षात ठेवायचे. फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी म्हणजे अल्कोहोल हॅव्हिंग हायर बॉइलिंग पॉइंट देन दॅट ऑफ करस्पॉन्डिंग अल्केन, अल्किल हॅलाइड, अल्डिहाइड कीटोन एक्सेट्रा, and it is why? It is due to the presence of hydrogen bonding. So that is most important in case of alcohol. Secondly, again most important thing is that as the branching increases, the boiling point of alcohol is decreases. Now why it is decreases? Because as branching increases, suppose branching is increases there, so surface area is decreases. If surface area decreases, then van der Waals force of attraction also decreases, and due to decrease in surface area, due to decrease in van der Waals force of attraction, the boiling point of alcohol is also decreases. And last and important point, alcohol, all alcohol or lower members of alcohol, they are soluble in water molecule. And why it is soluble in water molecule? Because in case of water molecule, they will form the hydrogen bonding. So most important is hydrogen bonding. Due to the presence of hydrogen bonding, alcohol is miscible with that water, and hence it is highly soluble in water. Okay? समजलं सगळ्यांना इथपर्यंत? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे? एकदम सिंपल दोनच गोष्टी आज लक्षात ठेवायचे. वन म्हणजे स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अल्कोहोल अँड सेकंड इज फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अल्कोहोल. ओके, हॅपी लर्निंग.